my project. So let's look at my project structure first. You can see here as packages. The first one is style. It is used to do the circle queries to get the object from my database. And the domain package is used to store the classes according to my database. And the server, here you can see the servers are used to provide the service for the whole project. For example, you can do the update and you can get the questions, or you can get all of it and list. And the servlet package is used to store the servlets, which are to do the get and do the post with your browser. And the last one is utils. Here I store my circle connections file, which is to create the JDBC connections. Let's start my project now. Okay, you can see this is my login page. So if you want to log in, you have to register first. Let's register one. This is the username. For example, the password and the name and the gender. So if you don't fill the name, it will give you an exception. Yeah, for example, okay. So you have to fill it. Do the registration now. And once you finish your registration, you can log in. So let's log in. Okay, if you enter a wrong username or password, it will give you an alert to let you know, and you cannot pass it, cannot go in, log in. Okay, we log in successfully, and this is my home page. This is the context. This is the username, and you see this is the username we just used, and this is the logout button to help you exit. So if you want to get an exam to take the quiz, you click the My Exam here. And because my database has 3 kinds of quiz, the math, Java, and astrology. So if you want to take the one, you click the Start button, and you will go to the online quiz page. And once you finish your quiz, the finished quiz will disappear from this list, and it will show here. You see, this is for the finished exams. And it will give you the quiz total score and your score. And if you want to see the details of your quiz, you can go in. Let's start it. So this is my quiz page. This is used to store the username, and this is the profile. The student's profile picture will show here, and this is the student's name, the mic we just used. We just registered, and this is the gender. And for this part, this is to store the questions and the options, and if you find the correct answer, you can click it and choose the correct answer, and it will show here. For example, 1 plus 1 is 2, so choose B, right? So it will show here. If you want to change your choice, you just click and it will change here. Okay. So if you want to go to the next question, you click the next button here. It will go to the second questions. However, you can also go to another questions by click the question circles here directly. For example, we clicked the 4, we can go to the 4, right? And let's move to the previous one. Oh, we have to finish it. 6. Do it randomly. You see, once you finished, your answer will show forever. Once you finish all of the questions, you need to click the submit button to submit your quiz. And once you after you click it, you will go back to your home page. You see, right? And if you want to know your result, you go to my exam, and here you have a review button. You click it, you will see the details, the question number, the question content, and the question options, and the correct answer and your answer. So if you want to go back, click my exam. It is your score, and this is the total score. The next function I want to show you is the give the feedback for the application. So you can see here is the feedback. You can choose the stars out of 5. If you choose 4 stars, it will give the application of 4 score out of 5. And you can also add a text comment. It is a good app. So just click the send message to submit your comment. Okay, once you finish your feedback, it will also go back to your home page. So that's all of the function I want to show you. This my info page, I haven't add anything to it, so it is a blank one. This is all of the function I want to show you. Once you want to log out, you click the log out button here, and all of the sessions will be cleared, and that's all. Okay, you go back to your login page, and you can log in again. I think, yeah, you can log out. Thank you. That's my project.